In this video, I am going to show you how to fix CapCut Error 1007. This should be a quick and easy process video. Now, without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So the first thing you need to do after you have your clip, just go to Menu and then click on Settings. As you can see, after you do that, you can see the cache is on. Don't delete, just click on Auto Delete Cache and then choose the period you want. Now just choose 15 days. After you do that, click on the Performance tab. After you click on the Performance tab, you will see this option, Speed Up Hardware Encoding is checked. Just make sure it's unchecked, just like this. Then click on Save. After you have done that, the last thing you can do is to go ahead to your control panel, type in control panel in your search menu, then go to uninstall programs as you can see, then look for CapCut and reinstall it, and everything will work perfectly after that. So this was an easy and quick process video. As always, thank you for watching.